How to make money on Clickbank for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can make money on clickbank.com as a complete beginner and become an affiliate or maybe a vendor to make hundreds of dollars and earn the maximum commission. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to clickbank.com and you will land on this platform right here. Clickbank is world's leading affiliate marketing program that allows you to select your product from the affiliate marketplace and you can become an affiliate or you can sell your product to make money. So how to get started with Clickbank? It's really easy. You simply click right here, start or log in. So I'm going to click on start here and then we will simply sign up for our Clickbank. So now I just have to simply go ahead and fill in this guide. It will help me customize my Clickbank experience. So they're asking me, am I new to all of this? I want to promote Clickbank products, or you have a product that you want to sell. So I want to actually promote a product. So I'm going to click on OK. The next thing is, do you experience affiliate marketing? So this is like it's up to you if you want to kind of like go for this. It will really help you customize your Clickbank experience. You can go ahead and go for this quiz right here. So for now I'm gonna skip this and we will simply sign up for our Clickbank. So the signing up process is completely free, and what you have to do is you will simply add your country name right here. I'm gonna go ahead and select my country. Then we have the first name. You will simply add a first name. Then we have to add a last name as well. And then we have to add our phone number right here. You will simply add any of the phone number that you have, of course. And after that, we will add our email address in here. And then we have to set up a reasonable password. These are the requirements for the password. Once you add your password as well, you simply continue to terms and condition, and then you will simply click right here, join Clickbank. Once you do that, then you will be able to sign up for Clickbank for free. When it comes to signing up, we have two types of sign up, and there are two ways to make money with Clickbank, and that's what I want to show you today. So we have two ways we can actually make money. So the first one is going to be become an affiliate, promote thousands of quality products, earn up to $150 per sale, and then we have industry leading tracking. So let's go ahead and become an affiliate, and let me show you how we become an affiliate. It's super simple. Once you sign up as an affiliate or you sign up as a vendor to sell a product. When you become an affiliate, that means you simply promote a product. This is the kind of affiliate marketing I personally do. So what happens is we don't have to create a product. We don't have to do that. We simply select a product from any of the niches, and all of the niches are available, such as health and fitness. We have e-business, we have home and garden, we have supports, we have tech. So all of these different categories, and we will be able to find the top products within these category. So when it comes to affiliate, we simply find a product, find the right product, and it's really important that you go for a good niche that will actually sell, and go for a product that is trending. Once you have the product, then we simply promote the product with the link that we are given, and we simply make money. So you can see right here how we get paid with Clickbank. So we have revenue sharing, get paid a percentage with each sale, earn more cash with upsells, generate recurring revenue with rebuilds, and then we have cost per action, get paid as a set dollar amount. So there are two types of earnings. You can either go ahead and get paid with each sale, like whenever you sell something you will be paid according to that price, a percentage, that is your commission. And then we can also go for Cpa marketing, which is cost per action. For example, whenever somebody will click on your link, or maybe they will watch a video through your link, then you will be get paid in a fixed amount. So that is how it works. And when it comes to Clickbank, we have reliable payments, we have accurate tracking, we also have training and education available, high quality products are available, and we can actually do high ticket affiliate marketing. High ticket affiliate marketing simply means doing affiliate marketing in which we have up to 60 to 70% of commission, and we can actually do that on Clickbank. So this is the first way you can make money with Clickbank by becoming an affiliate. The next way you can make money on Clickbank is going to be selling your own product. So if you are a vendor, or if you create your own product, you create your own courses, then you can actually sell your product and you will be paid for that product. Of course, there will be affiliates that will promote your product. So let's go to sell your product and let's check out how the selling of a product works on Clickbank and how we can make money by selling our products. So the selling is really easy. How Clickbank helps us with selling: we have e-commerce tools and services. Of course, when you will be selling a product, you will have a store from where you will be getting the products, and then you can add it to your Clickbank. You can sell digital and physical product as well. Then we have affiliate management available. We have a marketplace, which is really good, a secure marketplace for you to sell your products with legit revenue, with legit affiliates that will promote your product. We also get the data and stats about our products, that how our products are doing, and how much we have actually made with our products. So that is how it is going to be. And we also kind of like check out the marketplace to sell our products. How you do that: there are just 3 steps to sell your product on Clickbank. The first step is going to be setting up your product to sell on Clickbank. Of course, once you sign up, after that you will simply go to the marketplace, and then you will set up your product on Clickbank. After that, you will have to submit for complimentary FTC, FDA, and Clickbank compliance review. This is really important because they will review your product, if your product is legit or not, and all the community guidelines, and then post your offer on your industry leading marketplace with 100K sellers and affiliate. That's it. You simply add your offer, and then the affiliates will check out your offer and they will simply promote your product, and then you will be able to make money with that. And of course, we can sell our products for hundreds of dollars, and we can make hundreds of dollars with each sale, and you will be paying the affiliate as well some of the commission, but you will be making the most of it. You will be able to make the profit out of your product that you have created. You can create anything. If you are wondering what kind of product you can sell on Clickbank, well, you can sell product in any of the different niches. You can go for any digital product, or you can go for a physical product as well. You can go for health and fitness. You can go with a software. You can go with technology. You can go with medicine. Any type of category you want to go for, you will simply create a product, set up your shop, and then start selling on the marketplace on Clickbank and start making money. So yeah guys, these are the different ways you can make money with clickbank.com. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to sign up for Clickbank and how you can make money with clickbank.com. If this video was useful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.